Alright, welcome to day 2 of my Amazon advertising, my KDP products. Oh, look, my book's right there. See that? Oh, it says pick up where I left off. Yeah, so today I'm gonna see how my ads did. See if I got any traction. If not, we're going to increase the budget. So as you can see, nothing has been done. So what we need to do is increase our budget. So let's see here. We do it here. So click into here. Let's go to budget rules. Nope, not there. Oh, campaign settings. So this is the $5 one. Dynamic bids. Mandate. What is this? Recurrence increase. No, not here. So as you can see, I'm learning as I'm going how to work this stuff. Never did this before. There. Yeah, when you think it's just a simple click of a button, you're wrong. Okay, that's not it. Nope, that's not it either. I think you're just gonna wake up, make a video, thinking it's that easy to just click, click, done. Nope. Of course, they're gonna make it difficult for you. Let's try this budget. This is the. Just how much you wanna spend, but where's the spend per click? Okay, so where is this function? Alright, I found it. I struggled, but I got there. So you go into campaigns, then you click the campaign, then you hit campaign settings. What? Oh man. No, sorry. Ad groups. You click the ad, then you hit add group settings. There we go. So this one was at 11 cents. We're going to bump it up to 13 cents. We're going to do 1 to 2 cents a day. So just gradually just increase it each day to see what our outcome is. Once we start seeing clicks, then that will kind of be like the magic number that we're going to use going forward to increase our sales. So we're going to save this. Let's see, ads. Okay, so now we have to get out of this. Go back to here. Down to the second one. So we're going to click this one. And today I'm going to create a journal. And it's going to be a real cool journal that people will like. I don't want to spoil it. But as of today, I'm going to try to finish it today, upload it on KDP and add it to the collection to grow my catalog of books on Amazon to see if either A, increasing my advertising costs to get to $10,000, or B, adding more products so that now I have uh, more things to sell online or on Amazon to help me reach the $10,000. So we'll see what works. Okay, so we got this done. So my ad should be at 5 cents now. Yep, 5 cents. So tomorrow I'll probably increase it to 7, who knows. Alright, so let's go over to the American side. Alright, so looks like nothing was done on these. So we'll go over to the campaigns. Let's change this one. Let's increase the budget. Campaign settings. We got this at 3. Let's go to 5 cents. Again, if you guys have any tricks, let me know what I can do to help increase my sales. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you're finding my videos helpful. Let's see here. Nope, wrong thing. Let me go back up here to where's the campaigns. So I increased the first budget of 1. Let's get to the second. I don't know what makes it click twice, but whatever. Got a 13 on this bad boy. When you first don't succeed, try again. We aim to be consistent. This year is about the year of consistency. The more consistent you are, the results will follow afterwards. Alright, let's see here. This was the previous sales. Campaign settings. See, I don't get why this one has 2 books on there, and the other one didn't. Why? It looks like this. Well, I guess this one cannot be found. Not sure what that is. But okay. Alright, so we pretty much completed that part. So I'm going to be able to, I'm going to make a new to Amazon ads here, 4 courses to get started. Hey, probably I'll watch this, see if I pick up any tips or tricks, or read it, and I will let you guys know. So I will see you tomorrow, and we're going to see if we have any traction, whether it's sales or some, what's the other word that they put? Some sales or impressions. There we go. Alright, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow.